What we're going to do is solve arithmetic sequences. We've talked about our first term, which is a sub 1. We've talked about our common difference, which is d. N is what term we're trying to find, and a sub n is the specific value of that term. So when we're looking at example 1, when it says find the 14th term, what it's saying is that n is 14. We're trying to figure out what our 14th term is. Our specific value of the 14th term is the a sub n. So we're going to go a sub 14 is equal to, our first term is 4. If you're looking at this pattern, notice that it's adding 3 each time. So it would be plus 14 minus 1, and then times 3. 14 minus 1 is 13, times 3 is 39, plus 4 gives us 43. So 43 is our answer. For letter B, we're trying to find, once again, the 14th term, because that's what it tells us to do. Our first term is negative 12. We're going to put plus 14 minus 1. And then if we're looking at this, notice that it's going up by 4, so we're adding 4. So we multiply it by 4. 13, because 14 minus 1 is 13. 13 times 4 is 52. And then plus a negative 12 gives us 40. So a sub 14 equals 40. For letter C, once again, a sub 14 equals, our first term is 5. We have 14 minus 1. And if we're looking at our pattern, notice that it's going down by 2. So we're going to put negative 2. 14 minus 1 is 13, times negative 2 is negative 26, plus 5 gives us negative 21. So try those next 3 on your own and see how you do. For letter A, we're trying to find the 16th term. So a sub 16 equals, our first term is negative 3. This time we're going to put 16 minus 1. And if you look at this, what's happening is that we're adding 2 each time. So we're going to multiply it by 2. 16 minus 1 is 15, times 2 is 30, plus a negative 3 gives us 27. For letter B, notice that it's going up by 3. So a sub 16 equals negative 8 plus, because we're finding the 16th term, it's 16 minus 1, and our common difference is 3. 16 minus 1 is 15, times 3 is 45, plus a negative 8 gives us 37. For letter C, notice that it's going up by 5. So since it's going up by 5, we have a sub 16 equals negative 20 plus 16 minus 1, and then our common difference is 5. So a sub 16 equals 16 minus 1 is 15, times 5 is 75, plus a negative 20 is 55.